Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. This one with 4 stars. In today's additional of Tuesday, in the newspaper of Tuesday, December the 17th, 2024. In this additional, we have already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. And by the way, it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9767. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. We don't know, we will see. But it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Then, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. So this box has the same number as that box. 4 of them, okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And we have here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, so this box has the same number as that box. We have only 1 of this kind of shape. And the last shape here. Oh, overlook this triple box. Well. Let me draw this T shape first. When you see the T shape, it's rotated, this one. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Oh, alright. And I forget this triple box here. The 1 is already given. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So now we have a pair here. The other pair in this T-shaped area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, okay. Here also 1 and the 3. This box is connected with that box, so 1 or 3. Is also connected with that box, so 1 and the 3. Alright, and those are the shapes that you really need to recognize for this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box number 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be 1. So the 1 in this cross area could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. Well. 1 and a 3, 1 or 3, we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 and more. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. Is also connected with this box should be so 1. And this one is also connected, should be also 1. 1 over 3, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 3. Alright, that means that this box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair in this triple box, so 1 digit left in this triple box for the number 1. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. 3. Okay. How about? I'm thinking. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Let me think. Come on. This can be a 2. This can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 3 and more. We have 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, this can be 3 and more because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be a 3 and more. And that box should be a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5 is connected with that box. So 2 and 5. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, we have a double 5 there, okay. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1, and that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area is supposed to be there then. A lot of 1s. Need a 3 here. Yeah. Come on. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. No 4 here. 2, 2. 3 and 4. 2 and 5. I need a 3 here. I need a 3 in this area. Could be here, could be there. No 3. Gonna be 2. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, can be a 4, yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes surround a 5, can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Think. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, can be 4, yeah, 1 digit left, number 5. Well, this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 2 or a 5, we have already a 2 here, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there, and I've eliminated there the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, so 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And let me think. 3 and 4, okay. 2. Come on, this is taking too long. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 and 5. 4, 5, I need a 2 here or there. Come on. Hey. 3. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. I need a number 2 here. So the 2. Ja. Het scherm zit te staan. We need a 4 here. 3 and a 4. I'm stuck here. I'm really stuck. 2 and a 4. 2, 4, and a 5. So here should be the 5. Well, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. It's not helping me. That means that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. 2, 5, and the 4. I'm stuck. Really stuck. 3 and a 4. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And the 2 here. Yeah. What's happening? What's happening? 3, 1. No. 1, 2, 3. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, okay. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. 2, 2. 4 and a 5. Need a 2 here or there. Place a 2 here. I'm stuck. I need to think here. Is this What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? 3 and the 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Here should be also 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5. Okay. So the 2 should be there. Here can be 2. 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So here should be 2 or a 5. But here can be a 2. We already have a 2. So it should be a 5 here. Yeah. Can be a 2. 2 and 5. Yeah. This should be 5. That box should be a 5. Okay. Here can be 2. So that box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Mark those 2 boxes with 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box give me 2 and more. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 4. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, I thought maybe faster than 15 minutes. So it's not a 3, not a 4, not a 3. Should be 2 stars. Yeah, not faster than 20 minutes. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.